Hello there, MoldMan1961 here, recording a quick video for Martin, my mate. He wanted to see me pics and stuff like that, so these are bits I made. There's one, that's a snaky one. There's a little hook. Got some shim, little very thin ones for doing the what they're called, combinations. I've got some pullers, but what he was interested in was my little see-through lock, which I can't open. God, can't even get it out of the thing, let alone pick it. Right, here is the lock, and you can see the mechanism inside. How this works is, let's get it the right way up. The key, you can see all the bits on the key. Let me move them batteries, can I get my head in. And you can see in there, so as you put that in, you'll see the pins jumping up and down as the key goes in. That lines them all up to the shear point. They're all the same length, look, and as you turn the key, it unlocks. So what you're doing with the pick, you're basically acting like a key. That's quite a long one, don't need one that long. Where's the short one? There he is. Okay, so put the tension bar in, put the tension on it, a little bit of tension, like turning. Going to use this hook, and basically just move the pins. And you just find the shear point, keep a bit of pressure on it. It's hard doing this and watching this thing at the same time. Try again. Right. One at the back. I need a proper line that up again. Okay, it should be really simple this, but I'm concentrating on doing that right to the back. Right, here we go. So that goes in, start moving the pins up. So what you can see there, that one's gone too far, this pin. Let me come back a bit, you can see that pin's gone too far, so you just let it go. And we can see which pins we got to push up. Okay, so move that one a little bit, not that one, we come back to this one. Right, let me try this bad boy, because I'm sort of reaching around the bottom and everything. Oh, this is messing me about today. There. That's it. You can see the pins lined up. I couldn't see it very well, but it's only a quickie. It probably won't be on here long. There you go, and that's how it works. Let me try and focus on that a bit better. So you can see the pins are lined up. And there we go.